How to return an item on Amazon AU. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is obviously get into your Amazon, and then from here what you're going to do is make sure you're logged into account. So after doing that, here tap on your account option right here. Then from here you'll be able to see the orders icon right here, so simply tap on orders. Then from there you'll be able to view all of your orders, right? So from here what are you going to do is select the exact item that you want to send back, and then you can simply tap on the return or replace item. Then you can select a reason for a return from the drop down menu that you'll be able to see, and then tap on continue. After doing that, you can now choose your preferred refund method like Amazon balance or original payment method. Then you can select your return shipping method. For example, it could be the post drop off, and then you can print your label / QR code, pack the item securely, and send it back. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to return an item on Amazon AU.